Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see deleted messages on Discord. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step, you simply need to go and in Google you simply need to search Light Better Discord. Okay, and open the first website, and here you need to click on message save all deleted and purpose match. You simply need to download this. Once you've done that, you simply need to go into your Discord, and once you are in Discord, you simply need to go and click on user settings, and here you will find an option of plugins. Currently I am on my older version. You will find an option of plugin. You simply need to click on that, and you can add that plugin which you downloaded, and you can see deleted messages on Discord. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.